and welcome back to my kitchen. With summer fast approaching, now is the perfect time to start making some shrimp boils. And the way we're going to do that is with 2 ears of corn, 1 lemon, 1 onion, a handful of red-skinned baby new potatoes. I've got about a pound of medium-sized shrimp here. I have a pound of Cajun style andouille smoked sausage, or you could use a kielbasa. That works just as well. I've got 2 tablespoons of garlic, 1 minced, the other one I grated. I've got about 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter here. We're going to need some Old Bay seasoning and some Cajun seasoning. I'm using Corona bitter today, but you could also substitute this out for chicken stock if you wanted to, and 3 cups of water. And those are all of our ingredients. So let's get moved over to the stove and we'll start bringing our boil together. Alright guys, now that we're over at my stove, I've already gone ahead and started heating up my water. And I'm going to go ahead and just add this whole bottle of beer into it. I'm also going to drop in our garlic, our lemon, and our quartered onions. There we go. And then I'm going to season this up with, I'm going to start with a tablespoon of my Cajun seasoning. And a tablespoon of our Old Bay, a heaping tablespoon. There we go. I'm going to give this a quick stir. Now I think I actually may want a little bit more of the Cajun seasoning. So I'm going to go for another, good half of a teaspoon. I don't want this too spicy, but I do want like a little bit of the kick to it. And I think that looks good to me. So now all we're going to do is cover this and let it come up to a boil. Now that our beer and water is up to a boil, I'm going to go ahead and drop in my potatoes. And I'm going to let those cook for about 7 to 8 minutes or until they start getting tender. Alright guys, our next step is to add the corn and the kielbasa in. And you want to make sure you get your corn nestled down in that broth really well, so it'll help cook and absorb all the flavors in there. And then I'm going to let this go for another 4 to 5 minutes, just until our corn is cooked. Our corn and kielbasa have been cooking for 5 minutes, and I think they're done. So now we're going to add in our last step, which is our shrimp. And all I'm going to do is stir these around, and then I'm going to put a lid on this and remove it from the heat, and just let the shrimp cook in the residual heat from our broth. You want to make sure you get them down in the broth so they'll cook, but not break them up. And I think that looks pretty good. Let me get those little few babies hiding there on the side. Alright guys, let me get this covered up. And while we're waiting for those to finish cooking, I'm going to move these over here. Let's turn our heat down to our other burner. And we're going to go ahead and make a garlic butter sauce that we're going to drizzle over the top of this. I'm going to start by melting my butter in here, to which I'm going to go ahead and add up my ground garlic. Turn that heat down just a little bit. And we want our garlic to start cooking down in this butter until it loses its raw taste. And then I'm also going to add 1/4 of a cup of our cooking liquid from the stock pot. So let me grab that. Alright guys, there is our 1/4 of a cup of liquid from the stock pot. I'm just going to let this stir and cook for another minute, and then we're just going to plate this up, give it a taste, and see what we think about it. Alright guys, I've got it all plated up, and our last thing we need to do is drizzle our garlic butter over the top of it. And while I do this, I would like to remind you of the Gamers and Geeks playlist that Japica Death and I have going on our channels. It is a community-driven playlist made up of you, our friends and YouTube family. If you guys would like to be a part of it, it's really easy. All you have to do is go out and make a cooking video, and once you've done that, post it to your channel, and then let either Japic or I know in the comment section of your cooking, or in our cooking videos. And I totally messed that up for the day, so, but you guys know the drill. Be sure to go out there, make that cooking video, and then let us know. And I'm just going to garnish this with a little bit of parsley. Talk about Vault Girl go wrong on this one, huh? Oh well, guys. Alright guys, that's all there is to this dish. So let me get my bread together. I've got a fresh baked loaf of bread back there I want to bring up. And we'll give this thing a try. Alright guys, by popular demand, Slacker has come in and agreed to try out our shrimp boil for two with me.
Hey guys.
I guess we're just going to dig right in with our fingers, because that's what we're doing.
There's two of my favorite foods in here. Sausage and shrimp.
And this thing is incredible.
You taste the beer. I'm going for the corn.
The corn's really good. It's nice and sweet. I really do love this dish, guys. It is so good, and it's perfect for sharing with friends, family, or the one you love the most. A little bit of fresh bread to dip into that garlic butter sauce. This thing is incredible.
I'm going to eat all this when the camera's off.
Alright guys, thank you so very much for joining us today. I've been Vault Girl, joined by Slacker. We hope you guys have enjoyed, and we hope to see you in the next one.
Bye guys.